Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Poetic Guardian series cases for the Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. We got two variants of the Poetic Guardian cases, one with MagSafe and one without MagSafe compatibility. So we will cover both of them in this video. So we will talk about their design, features, build quality, durability and all of their pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future upload. So here are the Poetic Guardian cases for Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. The left one is without MagSafe and the right one we got here comes with MagSafe compatibility. Everything else is exactly same for both of them. So let's start with the MagSafe one. So you can see that it comes in two parts here. Here is the panel for the back and here we got the front panel. Here we got an instruction card that how to assemble and use this case with your Pixel 9 Pro or Pixel 9. And here we got the screen protector accessories. So this is the back frame of the Guardian case here for the Pixel 9 Pro. And here we got the front frame with a screen protector built in. So if you have a look on this back frame here, you can see how solid and durable it is looking. We got the Poetic branding, we got these nice textured grooves on both left and right side, and it's going to contribute heavily in increasing the grip while holding the device in hand with this case on for sure. At the top we got this cutout for the microphone, at the bottom we got the cutout for the speaker grill microphone, and you can see that even the USB Type-C port is fully protected. And if you want to charge your device, you will have to open the slot here like this, and then you can put it back to provide protection to your USB Type-C port. That's pretty nice. And as you can see that it comes with the MagSafe compatibility. The only difference between this MagSafe compatible version and the regular Poetic Guardian case for Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro is the difference is the availability of MagSafe feature. Once again, if you have a look on this area surrounding the camera module, you can see it is actually 2mm raised to provide protection to the camera module of your Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro. And if you have a look on the front frame, you can see that it comes with this screen protector pre-applied on it. And if you want, you can remove the screen protector and you can just use the top frame, front frame here. So you have to put this front frame first on your smartphone like this. You just need to align the buttons here. Of course, you will have to remove this sticker, then peel it off and do the fingerprint setup one more time after removing it to make sure that your fingerprint is working perfectly. Once it is set up, you can put it here in this back panel frame and you will be good to go. And as we have seen, this back panel is pretty solid. It comes with this clear black design that is anti-yellowing, provides solid protection to the device as it comes with military standard 18G protection to your Google Pixel and Pixel 9 Pro. And since it comes with this separate back panel and the front frame, it provides 360 protection to your smartphone from every angle. As we have seen, the area around the camera lens is raised 2 mm, and on the front side, if you use the front frame without the screen protector, then it is raised 1.8 mm to still provide the solid protection to your Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro display. And since it is MagSafe compatible, you can use all kinds of MagSafe accessories with your Google Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro if you use the Poetic Guardian MagSafe series case with it. And if you do not need the MagSafe compatibility for your Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro, then you can go with the regular Poetic Guardian case that comes with no MagSafe compatibility and feature for your smartphone. So if you're planning to buy a nice case for your Google Pixel 9 or Pixel 9 Pro, then the Poetic Guardian case, whether the MagSafe one or without MagSafe, is a pretty solid choice as it provides military grade 360-degree protection to your smartphone. It comes with built-in screen protector, provides solid grip, and if you go with the MagSafe version, then it comes with MagSafe compatibility as well. If you're planning to buy one, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, or you can click the one appearing at the top right corner of the screen. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.